Hello my learners, welcome in today's lesson. Today's lesson we're going to learn about decimal as our topic, and we are covering recurring decimal. In yesterday's lesson we did conversion of fraction to decimal, and today I want us to continue from where we stopped, but we want to look at exactly recurring decimal. Now, I have a number of examples that I'll be putting across, but before the examples, I'd like to explain the word recurring. Recurring is a word that is used to show that something is repeating itself. Maybe someone is talking and leave alone talking is doing math, and we have a certain number that is repeating in the solution. That means that number is recurring itself. It's there. You mention it is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So the number that are repeating there, we are having 1 and 2, which are recurring. Now, for example, I've been told 1/4, convert 1/4 to decimal. We shall take 1 divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 is impossible. We put 0 and we add 0 here. The moment you add 0 and 10, we introduce the decimal. Now 10 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 10 take away 8 is 2. We add 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. The answer is 0, 0. 0 take away 0 is 0. 2 take away 2 is 0. So here we are having 1/4. When you convert to decimal, you'll have 0.25 as your answer. Now this one is not a recurring fraction, or the answer is not a recurring decimal. Why? We have done it and we have managed to reach at the end of the equation, whereby we are having 0.25 as your answer. It is not repeating. Now let's look at the second example. You have been given 1/3. You are told convert 1/3 into decimal. It should be 1 divided by 3. That is 0. Add 0 there. 10 divided by 3. Good. 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 10 take away 9 is 1. Add 0. 10 divided by 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. You subtract is 1. Add 0. 10 divided by that is 3. 3 times that one is 9. 3, 9. 3, 9. And it will keep on repeating and going on. Now, this is an example of recurring decimal, because your answer will be 0.33333, and there is no end. You decide to continue working this one, you can do it from morning to evening without getting an end. So this fraction is known as, or this decimal is known as recurring decimal. To write your answer, you're supposed to put it as 0.3. Then on top of 3, because 3 is the number that is keeping on repeating itself, to keep on recurring, we put on top of it a decimal. With that mark, it shows that this 3 is repeating itself. Now, example 2. You have been given a number, a fraction in that matter, and you're told convert this fraction into decimal. 1/12. Class, 1/12, you have 1 divided by 12. 1 divided by 12 is impossible. So we put 0 and we introduce 0 down here as we put decimal. 10 divided by 12, again it is impossible. We add 0 and add another 0 on top. Now 100 divided by 12, that is 12 times, let's say 5, 5 it will give you, not 5, it will give you 60. When you add 12 and another 12, another 12, correct, this is 6 and this is 9, so that is 8. So 8, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 12, you'll have 96. When you subtract, 0 take away that, you borrow, bring the 10, 10 take away 6 is 4. We remain here with the 9, 9 take away 9 is 0. Add 0 on 4. 4 divided by 12 is 3. 3 times 12 is 36. You subtract, you have 4. Add another 0. 3. 3 by that one, 36. You subtract, you have 4. Add 0. 3. 3 by that one, 36. You subtract, you have 4. Add 0. And you go on and on and on. That means 3 is a recurring number. It will not reach the end. So how do you write the answer? The answer will be 0.083333. But because you can't write so many 3's, we have just to write 1 3. We shall write the answer as 0.083. Then on top of 3, we put a dot. The dot means that 3 is recurring number. Now, it is not 0 recurring, it is not 8 recurring, it is 3. So the only number that is recurring, that's the number we put dot on top. We can't put on 8 because 8 is not recurring. We can't put on 0 because 0 is not recurring. And there's no way you'll assume that after dividing the first number to appear, then that number is going to recur. No. So you just have to work out until you confirm this one is recurring. After you have done more than 3 times, you do the first time, the second time, the third time, the fourth time, then you can conclude that this number is recurring. If you don't do that 3 times, then you may have a wrong answer. Now let's look at another example. Why I'm saying that you have to do more than 3. You have been given a number like you're told convert 1/22. 1/22 convert into decimal. It means 1 divided by 22. 1 divided by 22 is impossible, so we write 0.10 divided by 22. Again, it is impossible, so we add 0 on top as we put 0 there. Now 100 divided by 22, it is not, that is 22, that is 4. 4, because it is not 5. When you multiply by 5, you'll get 0, 1, 1. So 22 times 4, that is 8. So we go for 4. 4 times 22 is 88. We borrow 1, bring it here, 10, that becomes 2. 9 take away 8, that is 1. Add 0. Now we go to the 5 is 110. So we go for 5. Put 5 there. 5 times 22 is 110. When you subtract, you have 0, 1. We add 0, becomes 10. 10 divided by 22, we have seen it here, is 8. So the 8 we went with was 4. So 4 times 22, that is 88. You subtract, you have 2, 1. Add 0. Which number next? 5. 5 by that one is 110. You subtract, you have 0, 1. When you add 0, becomes 10. 10 by that one, you have 4. 4 by that one is 88. You subtract, you have 2, 1. And it will go on and on. Now let's look at this pattern. The pattern here is 0.0454545454545. What does that mean? It means 4, 5 is the two numbers that are recurring. And therefore, in writing our answer, we shall say that 0.045. With top of 4, we put a dot. On top of 5, we put a dot. What does the dot means? It means 4 is repeating and also 5. So if someone has to understand it well, it means 4 and 5, they are recurring numbers. That is 0.45454545. They alternate one another. And that's how we do it. And as simple as that one, you'll find out that math becomes so sweet because this is now the recurring fraction. I want to believe you have understood the question, the examples, and I want to believe that at home you do have some textbook. Go to your textbook, check under decimal, and under decimal we have recurring decimal as subtopic. Do the exercise there. Your parents will assist you to mark, and in case you have some problem in doing that marking or all that, please reach me through WhatsApp. My number is 0726713165. You can look at it doesn't have a recurring number. Thank you so much. God bless you. Remember to stay at home. Coronavirus is ready. Please make sure you wash your hands with soap and stay at home. God bless you. Have a beautiful time.